Hello everyone, I'm Oliver Kovács, a composer from Hungary. In this video, I'll walk you through creating a cinematic music piece suitable for a science fiction video game or movie. Let's start with some musical fundamentals. The key signature is F minor, the time signature is 4/4 time, the tempo is 125 BPM, the scale is natural minor. In the F minor scale, the chords corresponding to each scale degree are as follows. Now let's look at the chord progression I used. As you can see, the music piece doesn't start on the tonic. It's a common technique for creating more interesting chord progressions. For the strings, I choose a lazy accompaniment solution. The first violin plays the melody an octave higher, sometimes moving to different notes within the chord, and the second violin follows it a third below. At first, the strings use the legato technique, but they switch to staccato in the main theme to create more tension. The strings are paired with the flutes, creating an orchestral doubling of flutes and violins. The cellos and double basses play the bass line together, while the viola collaborates on the main theme with the French horn. Here's how it sounds with the melody. And here's how it sounds without the melody. In the brass section, the French horns play the main melody with the viola. The French horns and tenor trombones form triads, while the bass trombone doubles the cello line. The tuba follows the double bass. This creates a rich and layered sound. I made two synthesizer patches, a bass synth and a sequenced synth. The bass synth was created with Ferrum and the sequenced synth with Hive 2. The bass synth plays along with the double bass. Here's how they sound. If you want a tutorial on synthesizers, leave a comment below. The percussion section uses two libraries, Keepforest Ferrum and Laboratory Audio Strikeforce. If you'd like a video on creating epic drums, let me know. Let's listen to the whole drum section on its own. I hope you enjoyed this overview of my composition process. Feel free to ask questions or suggest topics for the future videos in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more music insights.